Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Close your eyes and allow the sound of the rain to wash over you. Feel yourself settling into this moment as the gentle rhythm of each raindrop calms your mind. Imagine you are standing in a peaceful garden, the earth damp beneath your feet. A soft drizzle falls from the sky, cool and refreshing. Each raindrop carries away tension, washing away stress with every gentle patter. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air. As you exhale, release any worries, letting them drift away like mist in the rain. Listen closely to the rainfall. Each drop is a reminder that nature flows effortlessly, just as you are meant to. You do not need to force anything. Simply be present, peaceful, open. If any thoughts arise, imagine them as raindrops landing on the surface of a pond, rippling, then fading into stillness. No need to chase them or hold on. Just let them go. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. Continue to do this for the next minute and 30 seconds. Be one with the rain. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Now, slowly bring awareness back to your body. Feel the weight of where you are sitting, the rhythm of your breath. The rain continues to fall softly in the background, reminding you that peace is always within reach. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day, like the fresh scent of rain after a storm. You are refreshed. You are at peace. You are whole.